Murlidhi, situated deep within the Dhanbad district of Jharkhand, is yet to be touched by development. Villagers still tread on broken paths. They still live in homes made of mud.
झारखंड मोबाइल वाणी में आपका स्वागत है। यह 24 घंटे चलने वाला निःशुल्क सेवा है।
But this village has tasted progress of a different kind. It has a tool for communication that enables Raju Rai to spread awareness.
मोबाइल वाणी के संचालकों को मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि वो हमारी आवाज़ जागरूकता के अभाव में आप जो फ़ायदा नहीं ले पाते रहे, और मोबाइल वाणी के माध्यम से एक एपिसोड भी इसका चला था, उसमें काफ़ी लोग जागरूक हुआ। और सरकारी स्वास्थ्य केंद्र में दवाएं मुफ्त मिलती है और आप निहायत ज़रूरतमंद लोगों के लिए ही वो स्वास्थ्य केंद्र है, सरकारी दवाएं हैं।
And V.K. Verma to showcase his talent.
हमारी समस्याओं की एक दवा है झारखंड मोबाइल रेडियो, जागरूकता और जानकारियों की हवा है झारखंड मोबाइल रेडियो, मनोरंजन के लिए भी एक जलवा है झारखंड मोबाइल रेडियो। झारखंड मोबाइल वाणी पे अपने स्वरचित कविताएं ज़्यादा देता हूँ, लेख देता हूँ। एक ग्रामीण क्षेत्र के का होने के नाते एक अलग एक मिसाल, जैसे एक छाप छोड़ जाना, वैसा अभी एक आज मुझे प्राउड मतलब गर्व फील हो रहा है।
It was the vision of one man that transformed the lives of those in Muralidhi and 50 other villages in Jharkhand. Aditeshwar Seth founded Gram Vani to empower the rural poor, and with the innovation of Jharkhand Mobile Vani, he paved a way for their voices to be heard across 19 districts of the state.
The whole vision behind Gram Vani, right from the day we started, has always been that how do we build technologies which empower marginalized communities to voice themselves? Because we've seen the kind of impact that technologies like Facebook and YouTube and Twitter have had in the internet space, where basically it gave a medium for the common man to express himself. So Mobile Vani was really an innovation because we saw that, well, everybody really has a mobile phone, right? And the common thing that's available on the phone is voice calling, right? That's what everybody does, and that's what they can do very easily. So they know they can just dial a number and they can place a call. So the interaction happens over a voice call itself. People just give a missed call, they get a call back from our server right away, and then they can interact. They can leave messages, they can listen to messages from other people, they can provide data, and all sorts of interesting interactions can be enabled.
An alumnus of IIT Kanpur and University of Waterloo in Canada, Aditeshwar came to IIT Delhi as a teacher and an entrepreneur.
First time when I came back to India from Canada, that the disparity really hits you. If you've been staying here all your life, then you just take things for granted, you take poverty for granted, you take bad governance systems for granted. So it was the first time when I came back that it sort of hit me, and then that really became the core of my PhD thesis, that how do we really apply technology, and in particular communication technology, for social development.
Gram Vani set up a branch office in Ranchi, enrolled locals to act as moderators,
झारखंड राज्य के शिक्षा के क्षेत्र पर विभाग ने असंतोष बताया।
tied up with NGOs to redress diverse problems that villagers face.
Content moderators use the internet to access the recordings, and then they follow an editorial policy. So the editorial policy tells them which sort of messages to be published, when should they publish the message, should they edit the message in some way before publishing.
The Gram Vani team began their groundwork a few years ago. They reached out to people in the most remote areas, encouraged them to use Jharkhand Mobile Vani as a means to connect with one another.
अगर रास्ता नहीं बन रहा है तो झारखंड मोबाइल वाणी आके आपका रास्ता नहीं बना सकता है। ये इस परिस्थिति को ऊपर तक पहुंचा सकता है।
Share their experiences and seek assistance on governance matters. And all this free of cost, giving villagers something that they could only dream of until now.
We have received up till 3,500 calls per day from just 5 calls a day. I think this is a huge boost to the absolute localization that I am a hyperlocal. In my hyperlocal contextuality, I am a single person facing a single problem. Nobody is coming to know about the issues I am sharing. Nobody knows that I can sing well, that I have brilliant ways of telling stories, and ultimately it's reaching thousands and thousands of people.
For Farkeshwar, Mobile Vani was a means to cut down the cost of cultivating his crop.
एक साधन बन गया है अभी किसी भी प्रकार का योजना के लिए एक मिस कॉल करना है, उसके बाद सारी जानकारी प्राप्त मिल जाता है। भूमि संरक्षण विभाग से एक पंप सेट मिला है जो 18,000 उसका दाम है बाजार में, और हमको 5200 रुपया ही मात्र देना पड़ा। और हम मानते हैं कि झारखंड मोबाइल वानी से बहुत बड़े हमको संपत्ति मिला है जो दूसरा कोई हमको नहीं दिला सकता था और नहीं मिलता।
And Halima used Mobile Vani to seek medical assistance for her ailing relative.
मेरे घर में कुछ दिन पहले मेरी भांजी बीमार थी, तो इसके बारे में मुझे ज़्यादा जानकारी नहीं थी कि क्या है, कैसे होगा, मुझे पता नहीं था। तो फिर मैंने झारखंड मोबाइल वानी पर कॉल किया, तो फिर वहाँ से मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला कि मलेरिया हो सकता है। उसके लक्षण के बारे में बताया गया कि मलेरिया के ये लक्षण है, ठंड लग के बुखार आती है।
यदि मैं टीकाकरण
Transforming the lives of thousands in the villages of Jharkhand, Mobile Vani is an innovation that has proved to be the voice of empowerment,
आधार कार्ड
making each villager a crusader, a role model, or a friend.